Hey y'all beautiful people, it's your girl Sensationnel Line and welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by here for the very first time, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, check out all my previous video, and make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Sadly, I can see by the title of today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I install this beautiful cheap synthetic wig that I purchased from Samsbeauty. It's the Dashley Lace Front Unit 10. So if you want to see how I slay this wig, make sure I'll stay tuned, and at the end of the video you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Yeah, this is your girl birthday look, so make sure I'll stay tuned. Bye guys.
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning bed.
Hey guys, it's your girl Sensationnel Line and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I will be installing this wig, so I went ahead and get my hair braided. So I'm just gonna apply some gel to the front part of my edges and apply the stacking cap to it. So the wig that I'll be installing today for you guys is the Dashley lace unit in the color 1B. It's a lace front wig actually, and this one is from the Sensational collection. So I'd purchased it from Samsbeauty and the wigs was just $25.99. You heard what I said, $25.99. So I'm just gonna go in and pull the wig from the package and show you guys that this is worth the deal. Like, I'm not exaggerating. So this is how the hair comes. Actually, lace unit 10 in the color 1B. It's a lace front wig actually with a deep part here, and as I said earlier, it was from the Sensational brand. So this is how the packages come. Yeah, and it's just a little wig instructions on the side. The color, like, they have a wide variety of colors in the unit, so I'm just going to show you the different type of color that they have here, so you can always choose from the different color range, right? So they come well packaged up, have a mesh over it to secure the hair, which is really nice, and some padding for it. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cut off this from the hair. Like, this is how the hair actually look, and I'm really impressed. Like, this is my first ever owned wig. I will be leaving the link to my video that I made my first wig and install it. So basically this is how the hair look, guys. Like, I'm telling you, for $25.99, like, that's a good deal. So let me give you up close with it, and it comes with baby hair as well. The lace doesn't really match my skin tone to that, so let me see if it does. This is how the baby looking. Yes girl, this is exactly how she is looking, period. Okay, so if I'm moving a little funny, it's the first time actually getting my nails done, so y'all see with me, girls, see with me. So what it comes with it, so as I said, it comes with baby hair here at the front. It comes with 2 support comb at the side, and there is also 1 in the middle. So in total it's gonna be like 3 comb, 1 here and 1 there. So let me go ahead and just put it on my hair. Alright, so this is how your girl looking so far. So let me just adjust it to the center as best as possible. I don't really know the center of my hair that well, but I think this is the center. I'm just gonna pin her up in the top and try to snatch the comb. I'm just finding the hooks and then connecting them, because y'all, I don't want my wig to be snatched off if somebody's to like pull my hair. But is the wig, it's not really feeling, to be honest, it's not feeling tight to me. It fit perfectly fine, so I just need to attach this part around to the back a little more and connect it with the next one. Guys, I'm trying my best like to really find the center of my hair, but yeah, I struggle because I really don't know how to center. So make sure it's actually well put down. So after this part is done, I'm just going to try to take out the baby hairs from So these pretty much are the baby hairs. I'm just going to twine them so I know exactly where they are. I think these are not really the baby hair, but yeah, I'll get the drift. And then I'm gonna get another clip just to pin the hair to get it completely out of the way so it don't come falling down. So let me work magic with these. So what I'm going to do currently is that I'm just going to cut these downward because I don't want too much of a tall baby hair, y'all. And then just to get them out of the way, I'm just going to twine them so I can easily identify them when I'm ready to go in now. So this is a part that I'm really scared of, a lace front as it is, so I'm going to try my best to make sure that I don't spoil my wig, like my lace front wig to be exact. So we pull it down as far as possible, and then we're going to go right in. So it actually looked like my real hair, but I'm going to get some concealer to put on it so it doesn't look any way. So we're going to go in. The Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. This is not really my shade actually, but I'm just gonna try to apply it to like brush it in so it kind of have a natural look to it. So I'm just gonna apply some here on my hand, not much, because I said it's not really my shade, so I don't want it to look outrageous. So some catch on my wig, guys, some catch on my wig, some here, and just brush it in the middle area here, and like brush it out properly, make sure it's actually filled in. Let me get up close of what I'm talking about. Like just brush, especially the front area where the lace is going to be, the baby hair is going to be, but everywhere else can stay because to make sure so it blend out properly. I'm just gonna tip her up to get her out of the way, guys. So right here it got messed up with the concealer, but y'all get the drift, right? So I can hold her down a little bit better. I'm gonna come here. I try to go not too close to your hairline, because, well, I've used the glue to catch up my hair already, and I really and truly never seen it actually tear up my hair before. So, but if you're not really comfortable with it being too close, you just be extra careful. Install it a little bit. So I'm just gonna plug in the blow dryer and just like kind of pat it in. Guys, I don't know what the hell to keep on sliding. Yeah, so basically pretty much that's it. Easy spray. Just brush it out, guys. I'm hardly getting tangled for a synthetic wig. Like I was expecting like a whole lot of hair to be coming out, but no mama, not this unit, or maybe not for now, but I'm not seeing it. I try my best to keep it to the center, but as I said, I don't know my center, so don't come at me. Might cut some little more because I'm not seeing the baby hairs that I wanted initially. Alright, these still look a little bit tall still, but let's see how it goes, and then swoop them. Anyway, guys, just gonna let it sit. And then go and come back. Guys, so I'm almost done completing my wig. I was waiting for the edges to be slayed, so I'm just brushing it out now. And as y'all can see, it's not really straight. Like it have a little fold in kind of flow to it, like y'all see. Like, look, let me show you. So I'm just brushing it in. I'm gonna take off the hair. Let's see. Ooh, yes, girl. Your girl not playing at all. She is not playing. Let me give you some coverage. Ooh. Y'all feel it? Oh my god, girl, like, yes, girl. the finishing look of my wig installation. I'm telling y'all, this wig deal is the bomb. It will be a lot of hair coming out, but I didn't receive a lot, and you can run your finger through it smoothly and nice. So I'm telling you, this wig is worth buying. Like, look how it looks smooth, and it doesn't look synthetic. Y'all, I'm telling you, this wig is a bomb. $25.99. Like, oh my gosh, $25.99. Like, sis, like, I did come out. So this y'all girl birthday look. Thank you so much for watching it, and make sure y'all check out my birthday wish list down in the description box. Yay! So this is the finishing look of my lace front, guys. I did slay this wig, and if you have watched up until this part of the video, I appreciate and thank you guys so much. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, tell a friend to come over here and watch my video. Bye.